Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One 5G, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. But to get started, let's pull down our toggles from the top, just a swipe down, so once again, and this will extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you should see a Do Not Disturb mode. For me it's right over here at the bottom. So once you locate yours, first time around when you're doing this, you want to probably hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it's set by default, or obviously change the default settings of it. So quickly going into a couple things that will matter. People will have options for calls and messages, so you can choose who can call you and message you. Then we have apps, so you can choose what apps can just kind of bypass this mode. And another important one is the schedule. So here we have two pre-made ones. You can edit the ones that are pre-made, you can create your own, which will obviously allow you to enable one of these or multiple of these, and the phone will automatically turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode at a provided day of the week and the time. So if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on in here like this, and that's all you would need to do. And obviously tap on a gear icon to view and edit the settings of it. Anyway, so once you went through the settings, customize them to your needs. If you want to use this manually, all you would need to do is just find the toggle, tap on it, and it's now on. And once you're done with it, you just tap on it once again, and this will disable it. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.